Hello everyone and welcome back to Stunt Car Racing! And I am on. Hey Jack.
I can't move.
Can you not?
No, look. I still can't do it.
Okay guys, we're back.
Oh, yeah, sort of.
Sort of. Sort of, as Jack says. Can you move now?
Yeah, only accelerator.
Oh, you're on. Can you turn?
No. Look, I'm hitting the button.
That's so weird. Jack, I'm afraid you might have to leave. Because, like, you're not able to move at all.
I might just close the game.
Yeah, close the game.
Back in.
Okay, guys, so, yeah.
I'll be back! I'll be back!
Yeah, but in the meantime, guys, I want to show you this really cool thing. Like, in this level, when I'm not on, I always go for this bit.
La Lamborghini.
Not that
La
bit. This bit.
Lamborghini.
I don't go for a Lamborghini, Jack. I go for this bit, look.
La Lamborghini. Nobody can see me because I am Lutini.
No one wants to see you. Ah, I was just about to show the guys thing. Okay, Jack, tell me if you can move now.
I can move.
Yay! Jack can move again.
Yay, we can actually play again.
Yeah, and he's on again. Yay! Okay, let's go.
Wee,
No,
I'm dead.
no. Hi, Jack. Hey, Jack. Which way are you gonna go, huh? Okay, you're going this way. Can't touch this. Okay. Oh, a plane just passed over me. Oh!
Bonus drop.
Hmm?
It's the bonus drop.
What the heck? No.
That's just some random crap thing.
I know. I mean, you get 10 coins. I like that. It's called a bonus drop, which is a bit weird. What you got, Jack? Huh? What you got? What you got?
Bugatti.
What?
I got a Bugatti.
No, you don't.
I got the bonus drop.
No, you don't. No, I did.
Did you?
Yeah, I did. You didn't get it.
I got it. I got a Bugatti.
No, you didn't. And you don't get a Bugatti. You get 10 coins. Whatever.
Whee!
Okay, are you following me?
Wee.
You're following me.
No. Wee.
But you were.
No.
Oh, wait, you're not. Where are you? Hi, Jack.
Where are
Hello.
you?
I'm just up here. Come catch me. You're following me now, aren't you? Oh. Oh, you fell off. Hello, Jack. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah!
Wee! I don't
Ouch.
care because I suck at this game.
I just go quiet, like.
Whenever Keen's on, I suck. And whenever I'm on, I can't catch anybody.
Pretty much you suck either way. Anyway. Oh, I'm on 2,110 credits. That's nice. I'm also on 3,000.
I'm on 225.
Okay. Oh, another guy joined. Gaz Monkey.
He's a motorbike.
Oh no, if he's on, we're dead. Oh, you're on.
Hey, I'm
See you,
on.
Jack. See ya. I know you'll never be able to get me. Whoa. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Jack, you're just following me, aren't you?
No, actually, I'm not.
Are you going for the other guy? You'll never be able to catch him. Look at this, guys. Huh. Oh no, I fell off again. Remember when I did that and Jack just caught me? Remember when I did that? Yeah, I failed. So bad. I failed just there again. Well, I didn't actually fall off, technically.
Bonus drop! Ooh, my bonus drop!
Mine.
I got it.
No, you didn't.
I got 50 coins.
No, you didn't. I did.
I just got it.
I just got it.
Yeah, well,
I got 50 coins.
so did I.
Oh. That's weird. Anyway, Jack, you'll never be able to catch me. Because I'm up here and you're down there. And by down there, I mean like less than a meter down there. I know, actually, a
it is
meter. A little bit more than a meter, considering the size of these cars. Come on, Gaz Monkey. What you got? Jack, you'll never be able to get me.
Oh, I see.
That's how it's gonna be.
If that's how it's gonna be, then I'm gonna play hard to get.
What?
Oh, wait, why am I saying that?
I don't know. Ask
a guy.
yourself.
Cause I'm gay. Yeah, I'm PewDiePie.
Just wow.
I'm gay. I'm PewDiePie.
Comment down hashtag.
PewDiePie.
Comment down hashtag Jack is a PewDiePie hater.
I'm a PewDiePie lover.
But you just say he's gay. And he has a girlfriend called Matsia.
it's
Not a
not
boyfriend
called-
called Matsia.
It's not called being gay. It's called being fabulous. Ooh. I'm on 125 coins.
I'm on 2,195 points and I'm on level 20.
I need 120.
What? Hey, Gas Monkey. Hope you're not on, or else you'll hammer me.
I
Jack.
hope he's on.
I hope he's not, because... Oh, are you on? No, he's on. Crap.
No!
Hello, Gas Monkey. He almost caught me. Did he catch
caught
you?
me. He caught
Oh
me.
my god, he's so good. As soon as he caught you, he almost caught me straight away. Can't touch this. Hey, Jack.
Wee.
Hopefully you can hear the honking in the recording. Ah! He just caught me! Out of nowhere!
Way!
Out of nowhere, I got an achievement.
I got 17
What?
coins.
I didn't win that game.
I got 5 coins.
Well, technically, I did.
Yeah.
In a way.
He's the host zombie.
Oh god. This guy is
got second.
overpowered.
I got second.
No, I did.
Let's see.
It showed me in second place.
Let's see. Oh.
They're all right in here.
Yeah.
It actually did though. I'll show you my recording. But that actually doesn't mean like who's second or first. I'm on! I hate when I'm on this level, but I love when I'm not on this level.
Oh!
I didn't even hit
I
the
almost got Baz
accelerator.
Monkey.
Okay, where is he?
I saw him a minute ago.
There he is. He's glitched out. Kaz Monkey's glitched out.
Wouldn't it be funny?
Kaz Monkey's glitched out, everybody.
Hey! No, you are.
No, he was.
It just says you left.
What? I thought I was disconnected from a server. I probably got banned because of my rad skills, bro.
Oh, yeah.
No. Just no. Everyone's just like, just no.
Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Hey.
Oh, guy with bump cards on.
Shout out to whoever is in that game, and shout out to Gaz Monkey.
Gaz Monkey! Actually, I'm leaving the server. I'm going back to my own server, technically.
It's
technically
yours.
It is. How come it says my name on it?
Because it's my name.
It's my name. It says Keen
Look,
Plumsters.
there's an
Hello!
airplane and there's a boat.
Where's Gaz Monkey?
I don't know, that's the thing. I'm not watching him.
I'm chasing after him.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to jump
Gaz
off
Monkey!
the edge.
Oh, I see him. Ouch. Jack, help me catch him.
No.
Really? Just really.
Brum, brum, brum.
I need some help, Jack. Are you gonna help me? No. That's what you say. It's like, are you gonna help me? No.
Hey, I killed myself. At the end, like what you did. Thanks for all the fish. Jump into the sea using an airport ramp. I'm on 145 coins.
Okay.
I want the muscle car.
Okay.
I got these guns. Oh, yeah. All these guns.
Okay, I'm gonna take those guns off you before you shoot someone.
Hi, Keen Plumster.
Hello. See ya. I'm not on. I definitely am not on. I'm not on.
I'm on.
Uh-oh.
And I'm right behind you.
See ya. Boom, 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 ba da boom, 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 ba bum, 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 ba da bum, 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 ba da bum, 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 na na na, bum, bum, bum. Oh, Gaz Monkey was tagged. Oh, I was saying under.
I tagged Gaz Monkey.
Did ya?
Yes.
Mate. No, I'm the only survivor. I'm the only survivor. Come on, what you got?
That hasn't got the bonus drop.
What you got?
A bonus drop.
Ooh, bonus drop. Oh, I'm so tempted to get, but I fell off.
No, I lost the bonus drop. Hello, car.
Hello, Gaz Monkey. How do you do? I do poo. Oh! I fell off. You're away, thank God. No!
No!
Oh, no! Oh, the guy who was behind you almost caught me. I can't believe I'm the only one. And Gaz Monkey got tagged. Like, seriously. Gaz Monkey is the best out of us all. And he got tagged. No! I knew that was you. I just had a feeling that was you. I knew it was you. 15. 14. Oh, I got tagged! Who caught me? Was it you?
No,
Who caught me?
it was Gaz Monkey.
Gaz Monkey!
The other guy was with me. So, it was Gaz Monkey.
Really? Really? I have to watch your recording, so I don't believe you.
It was probably Gaz Monkey. I'm not 100% sure. The other guy was definitely with me. Pippo.
But then it must have been Gaz Monkey.
Shout
'Cause
out Pippo.
who else is like that fast? Shout out to Gaz Monkey.
And Pippo.
Pippo? Ah, Jack! Oh, I'm on.
Oh no!
What?
You're gonna catch me.
No, I'm not. I'm catching Gaz Monkey.
What? I was right there.
I know! Oh, I saw you right there, and I just went on the glass around you. I'm coming back for you. Oh, I'm coming back for you.
No!
Are you still there? No, you're not. Oh, you are.
No, I thought I was gonna dodge
On
you.
my screen, you were upside down on your roof, which is a bit weird. There's another guy here.
I'm catching Pippo.
I'm catching Pippo. Actually, no, I'll go for Gaz Monkey. You get Pippo.
Yeah, because I'm like on Pippo's hunt.
Pippo Pig!
Whoever catches whoever.
Oh no, I almost caught Pippo! I don't even know where Gaz Monkey is.
I see him.
Okay, you get him. He's not in my sight. Who am I catching right now? Pippo. Pippo, I'm gonna get you. Pippo. Hello, Pippo. I got Pippo. Okay, where's Gaz Monkey?
I have his tag. He's going up the wall.
I see him. Jack, you left.
I didn't.
I said you left.
Oh, I almost got
No!
Monkey.
Oh, I'm so close. I'm so close. He was coming right at me. Ah. Really? Okay, Gaz Monkey is a pro out of all of us. He's the pro. 4, 3.
I found him.
Oh, I almost got him.
I saw that.
I almost got him.
You were so close.
Oh.
I feel so bad for you.
I know, so do I. Ah, why?
Now back to your daily
Why?
game.
Why?
Now back to the daily drawing.
Did you leave?
Yes.
Ah.
Now back to my daily drawing.
Okay, guys, I'm going to have to leave it there. So, if you enjoyed it, please do leave a big fat thumbs up. Next video, I'm going to have the super red car. And I'm on, so... And, yeah, I'll see you all in next one. Goodbye!